Today, my topic is APJ Abdul Kalam. First of all, I want to say some Hindi lines. इंतजार करने वालों को उतना ही मिलता है, इंतजार करने वालों को उतना ही मिलता है जितना कोशिश करने वाले पीछे छोड़कर चले जाते हैं. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Rameshwaram, and his father was seller, the son of Rameshwaram, whose 1 year resound of Gita's verses and Darwin's theory in other. रामेश्वरम का वह बेटा जिसके एक कान में गीता के श्लोक गूंजते थे तो दूसरे में डार्विन के सिद्धांत. And APJ Abdul Kalam was born in a Muslim family and his family was very big. So he used to sell newspaper to support himself. वह अपना खर्चा निकालने के लिए अखबार बेचा करते थे. You know, several kilometers away from their village there was a math teachers, and he studied mathematics very well. And the teacher said there are free 1 hour class at 4 o'clock in the morning for maths. And Kalam wake up 3 o'clock in the morning and reach teacher house for study maths. And यही मेहनत उनकी रंग लाई. And he took admission in IIT Madras. And for his admission, his sister sold her jewelry and gave him to admission fees for Kalam. And after that, he got a project in his college for designing a plane. And he started designing a plane, but teacher didn't like his design. And teacher said to the Kalam कि आपके पास केवल 3 दिन का समय है. यू हैव ओनली 3 days फॉर डिजाइनिंग अ प्लेन. अगर आपने प्लेन नहीं डिजाइन करके दिया तो आपकी स्कॉलरशिप छीन जाएगी. एंड हियरिंग दिस लाइन कलाम वाज शॉक्ड and 72 hours continuously APJ Abdul Kalam designing a plane, not sleep and not eat. And she designed a very well designed a plane. After that, and after that he joined ISRO. And that time there is no investment in ISRO. And there is a church in nearest ISRO. And he made the church of his office. And he make a cow shed his laboratory. And in so much difficulties he launched the first rocket in India in 1963. And there was and he busy so much in his work. He forgot his engagement. His family waiting for Kalam कि Kalam will come, but Kalam busy for making a rocket for India. And after that he become a director of ISRO. And इसीलिए कहते हैं नींद और निंदा पर जो विजय पा लेते हैं उनको आगे बढ़ने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. And और यही मेहनत उनकी रंग लाई. इंडिया कंडक्टेड ऑपरेशन शक्ति इन 1998 and he retired to ISRO in 1999. And those days Indira Gandhi was prime minister of India. And one day Indira Gandhi called to APJ Abdul Kalam and called to APJ Abdul Kalam to meet him. And Indira Gandhi said to APJ Abdul Kalam, you make a missile for India. And this time APJ Abdul Kalam met first time to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So he moved forward to shake hand with Atal Bihari Vajpayee, but Atal Bihari Vajpayee to hugged Kalam. And seeing this scene, Indira Gandhi said to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, keep in mind Vajpayee ji, he is a Muslim. So and Vajpayee ji replied, first of all, he is a citizen of our country, and second, he is a great scientist of our country. The world also known him as a missile man, and he is one of the greatest inspiration for the youth. After some year, Vajpayee ji become a prime minister of India, and Vajpayee ji called to Kalam and said to Kalam, we are recommendation your name to become a president of India. And Kalam accepted this recommendation and he became a prime minister of India. And in 2015 Kalam said goodbye to us forever. जो कल था वो आज नहीं होगा, जो आज है वो कल नहीं होगा, जो कल था वो आज नहीं होगा, जो आज है वो कल नहीं होगा। उसी तरह इस ब्रह्मांड में कोई दूसरा कलाम नहीं होगा। बन जाती है परिभाषा, बन जाती है परिभाषा भारत के सम्मान की, बन जाती है परिभाषा भारत के सम्मान की, जब जब बात होती है श्री एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम की। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी केयरफुल्ली।